Hi guys, I'm so excited for this video. I'm so excited to share it with you. I met with my friend Ayshe and we went over a payroll tax credit that really is beneficial for business owners with employees. I know some of my clients have employees or plan to hire their first employee within this year, so I thought we would put this video out there because it's huge. If you're able to take advantage of this tax credit, make sure you do so. Before I get started, my name is Jeanette Andrada. I help private practice owners pay the least amount of taxes using tax and accounting strategies. If you are DIYing your bookkeeping, your taxes, and doing your own tax research, make sure to check out my membership group. In this membership group, we do live Q&A sessions. We do trainings on topics such as how to pay yourself, paying estimated taxes, profit first, hiring your first employee, leaving your full-time job. There's a lot that we go over in this group, so make sure to sign up and hopefully I will see you there. If you're really enjoying my content, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me get my content out there to other business owners that could benefit from this. In this video, you're going to meet Ayshe. If you haven't watched my other video with her, Ayshe is an expert in insurance and she works with helping small business and individuals with their insurance needs. So if you need help with that, I'll put her contact information down below. Make sure to reach out to her. All right, let's go ahead and get right into the video. So there was something you were talking to me about the other day that really excited me.
Yes.
So I definitely want us to touch base on this since, it's such a great thing for employers. So do you want to go into the attentive program?
Yeah. So real high level, it is a ACA mandated program. It is part of the ACA manual, I guess you could say, that on page, I believe it's 33,161 of the ACA manual.
Did you read
there
all of
is Yeah, there's guidelines for how an employer and their employees can receive a tax credit or tax savings if they qualify, right? So the overarching criteria is it's an employer that has W-2 employees. They don't necessarily have to be full-time, but the employees have to be making at least $16,000 a year through that employer. So again, that could very well be a part-time person. The employer has to offer health insurance. So again, doesn't have to be a large employer. It could be a two-person group. The other thing is the employees do not have to be opting in to the health insurance that's being offered by their employer. They could have it through another job or they could have it through their spouse, but it has to be coverage that's not through the ACA, and it can't be through a private plan, Medicaid, or Medicare. Those are disqualifiers. It has to be through a large carrier, essentially through a group. Everyone that qualifies should participate in this.
When we first talked about this, I was like, okay, good, but how does it look?
How does it work?
Because I am a numbers person and I am I need to see it on a form. So thankfully you had a slide to show what it looks like on somebody's pay stub, essentially. Right. And so I'm going to share my screen right now so we could go over that just really quickly, because I think that really shows you where those tax savings come from or why this is such a really great program. Here is an example of an actual monthly paycheck comparison. Here on the left side, we're going to see before the program. So you're seeing somebody has a monthly income of $3,200. They pay for medical insurance pre-tax, right? And then their monthly income is $2,700. Now they're paying taxes on this $2,700. The federal withholding, FICA, Medicare, state, all of that stuff. So they end up paying $551 in that. After the deduction for their taxes, they end up getting paid $2,237. Now, on the right side, we're going to see how it looks with the program. The monthly income is the same. We have our health insurance here, and then we have the deduction for the premium. So it looks like the monthly income is lower than it was here on the before. What happens is only this $1,600 is taxed. Instead of paying $551, only $277 are being paid. So there is a $274 savings. There is a fee, right, to be able to be a part of the program, which essentially you're paying with the money that you saved. So after that, there's $194. The $1,125 that was deducted here then gets added back. The pay is essentially about the same as what it was before. Though, and then with those tax savings, essentially you could pay for your vision, life, accident. Essentially, it pays for itself. It's free.
Right.
I mean, that's really, really awesome. Hopefully I got all of that right, Ayshe.
Oh, yeah, you did. That's exactly how it worked.
This is
Yeah.
huge for the employer and the employee. It's like a benefit for both. This is really big, especially for those employers that are growing and anybody needs help with saving on taxes, but as a small employer, then you definitely don't want to be paying more taxes than you have to. Is there any, last minute thoughts you want to add?
No, I think that was it. It's a lot. It's a lot to unpack when we go into detail. So I think this was a great start. But if anyone has any questions about benefits for themselves or their business, always happy to share that information. This ACA tax credit program is very worthwhile.
Definitely reach out to Ayshe because she will take care of you when it comes to your insurance needs, and she is very knowledgeable. So make sure to reach out to her and say hi. And if you have questions, she'll be happy to help you. So that is it. I really enjoyed this conversation with Ayshe. Make sure to reach out to her because she is very knowledgeable about insurance, health insurance, life insurance, and the works. So she will take really, really great care of you. I know that from experience. Make sure to check out my link below with free resources for private practice owners, and I will talk to you next Friday.